Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to uninstall software on your computer via the control panel. So when you look at your Windows screen, you either have a search bar like this down here on the left, or you might just have a magnifying glass. If you have just the magnifying glass, click on that. But in this search, I'm going to type in control panel. And when I get in here, I'll see the control panel. I'm going to click on it. The control panel will open up, and sometimes you will see it looking like this laid out, or you might see it slightly different. Instead of large icons, you might see it small icons or by category. But either way, when you get in here, you can click on uninstall a program if this is what you see. If you see more of the large icons or the small icons, you want to navigate to programs and features right here. Once you get inside here, these are all your software programs that are installed. So let's say, for example, that I want to uninstall Google Chrome. I'm going to click on it, and then up top, it's going to say uninstall. So again, anything you click on, you can simply uninstall it right here. So that's how you uninstall software. It's actually quite easy. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now.